Hi, my name is Zachary Cuevas with PC Mag, and today we're hanging out with Samsung, checking out their latest product. This is the Odyssey OLED G9, the world's first 49-inch gaming OLED monitor.
OLED gaming monitors have become increasingly more common, and for good reason. OLED screens are in a league of their own, and they outclass IPS displays in almost every category. So how do you stand out in an increasingly crowded field? Going bigger, of course, or in Samsung's case, wider. The super ultra-wide Odyssey OLED G9 stretches to a 32:9 aspect ratio, and at 49 inches, it's also the first of its kind. The dual quad HD display comes with a gentle 1800mm curve and promises both a 0.03 millisecond response time and 240Hz refresh rate. And the visuals are stunning. Though it doesn't reach a 4K pixel count, you won't even notice thanks to the vibrancy and clarity of the OLED panel. And with the extra screen real estate, you'll be able to sink into your games like never before. Fans of immersive sims like Microsoft Flight Simulator will love the extra wingspan, but even shooters like Doom Eternal and Battlefield 2042 gain a whole new perspective thanks to the wider aspect ratio. And if you don't have the gear to run these games, fear not, as the Samsung Gaming Hub makes an appearance as well. The all-in-one streaming platform allows gamers to stream their favorite titles from popular game streaming services like Xbox Game Pass and Nvidia GeForce Now. Based on our time with it so far, we were left impressed, but it remains to be seen if the massive monitor will justify its massive asking price of $2,199.
Well, that's all from us at PC Mag. Be sure to check out PCMag.com for all the latest tech news, reviews, and how-tos.